Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Caroline. Welcome to the video. So for today's video guys, I'm gonna show you kung paano ba ako mag-transfer using my Land Bank app to my GCash account. So I'm gonna hide my PIN guys. So today, this account is for my savings account and the other one is my current account. So konti lang yung laman ng ating ATM guys. So ngayon, what I will do is, I'm planning to transfer an amount sa aking GCash. So what I will do is, I'm gonna go here sa ating bank, then I will search GCash na lang para sa hassle free, and then I'm gonna key in my account number and my name. So this is very personal, kaya i-hide natin. So I'm gonna transfer guys 3K. So ayan, pang allowance for this week, and tap transfer. But again guys, if ever na mag-transfer kayo using GCash for the amount of 1,000 pesos, so for your information, winave na ni Land Bank yung kanyang service fee, guys. So, wala kang babayaran na amount if 1,000 below yung transaction amount na itatransfer mo sa other banks or sa other online banking or ganyan. So, dahil sa akin, 3K yung itatransfer ko. So, meron siyang 5 pesos na service charges. So, okay lang yan guys, kaysa magpamasahe tayo papuntang ATM machine para makapag-withdraw. So, ganun na rin yun. Okay, mas nakatipid pa tayo. So, I'm gonna take this, I hereby confirm, and tap confirm. And after that, ayan, this is my freaking problem dahil si GCash ngayon is always not available kapag nagtatransfer ng amount. So, I don't know what to do na. So, yeah. Help me out, guys. Kung ako lang ba yung nakaka-experience ng ganito currently na mobile banking is not available at this time. So, ito lang yung problem na gusto kong ipakita sa inyo. Na currently, unavailable yung mobile banking ni GCash for the past ilang days na ngayon. Parang nag-glitch siya. So, yeah. So, thank you so much for watching. I just wanted to share my frustrations ngayon kay Land Bank dahil sa ganitong scenario kapag nagtatransfer ako ng funds. So, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys did get something from me today and see you soon. Bye!